Hello, my name is Sara Robbins, and my project is called Bailey's Emotions Represented by Ordinary Differential Equations. So, unfortunately, I've never owned a dog, but luckily my boyfriend does, so I get to use his dog Bailey for this project. And in this project, I will be having two scenarios that will explain part of Bailey's day. So for equation 1, I have dE over dt equals pt. This equation shows that Bailey's excitement will exponentially grow with the number of people in the house. E here will represent Bailey's emotions, and T will represent the amount of people in the house. P is going to be the parameter, and in the block diagram, you will see it represented as 0.2. This will keep the graph from rising so quickly to the point that it would be an unreasonable increase in excitement. And our initial condition here is E of 0 equals 1. And that is because our solution to this differential equation is e to the power of pt, and of course you can't have the natural log of 0, so we change that to 1. Here is the block diagram, and as you can see, I incorporated a clock to represent the t in pt, and I have the 0.2, which is the parameter, and of course I have everything labeled here, and then the scope, so that you can get this graph. And as you can see, just as I said before, it is exponentially increasing. For equation number 2, I have dE over dt equals sine of t multiplied by 1 minus e. So here again, e will represent Bailey's emotions, and t will represent time as Bailey's emotions change with respect to time. This equation represents her emotions increase, and that as that increases, the sine wave's height will increase. This also demonstrates that as she gets more excited throughout the day, she will be losing energy, and that is where I incorporated the 1 minus e. And our initial condition here is E of 0 equals 0. Then of course I get the model, I incorporated my sine waves, the integrator, my scope, and I labeled everything. And then I will get this graph, which clearly shows the fluctuations, the up and downs of her day. And the ups would represent her maybe having a distraction, an increase in emotion, and then the decrease would just be her winding down. Maybe she's upset again because she remembered everyone's gone from the house, everyone left for work. So in conclusion, it is safe to conclude the constant fluctuating in Bailey's emotions throughout the day. This is most likely caused by lots of energy. If this presentation were on an older dog, then it could be concluded that there would be more rest time. This could be seen in the scope as the ordinary differential equation model as a flat line, or simply as less fluctuations in the graph. All right, thank you.